There's Turtle. Hold on, let me move this. Hi, Turtle.
Well, obviously we're all being spied on here. That's no big secret.
I do sit-ups there. There's Drago under the curtain. She's cute. Turtle wants to go out. There's Rocky and Saxon. And there's the computer. There's my tarot cards, my Slim Jim that I'm eating for breakfast. I ate for dinner last night. And there's my energy drink, my ashtray, and my cigarettes. And then I just keep that there so no one else knows it's there. And there's my elliptical. I did not hang clothes on it. That was the sportswear I was wearing when I used it, and the shoes I was wearing when I used it, and so I just hang them there to dry, because that's, you can't just throw them in the corner. They'll smell like mildew. Nobody wants to go outside? Okay. Oh, they're all so cautious. Come on, Saxon. Don't you want to go out? Don't you want to go out, cutie boo? Come on. It's not really raining. Let's go see what Rocky's doing. Rocky, stay over here. Rocky. What are you guys doing? There's nothing out there. Come back here. Come on, Saxon. Come on, Drago. Come on. Good girl, Rocky. Good girl. Come on, Saxon. Come on, Drago. No, leave her alone. Hey, hey! No, no. Drago, no, no. Drago. Good girls. Come here. Come on. Come over here. Good girls. Come on. Come on. They don't listen. Turtle's a good girl. Come on. Alright, come on you guys, let's go inside. Come on. Come on, crazies. Turtle's coming. Good girl, Turtle. Good girl. Rocky, come on. Go inside. Come on. No, you guys want to stay out. Come on. Come on, ZPs. Saxon, Drago, come on. Come on, let's go inside. Come on. Okay. Turtle's a good girl. Rocky's a good girl. She's already inside. All right.